Okay, part number 2. So yeah, with you, this is the tensioner. So you have a 12 millimeter on the bottom and you have to remove this one and this 12 millimeter all the way out. It's easier if you come around through the bottom and get it, because it's pretty hard to get to it if you're not down here. You can see where that 12 millimeter goes right there. So yeah, this is, that one is a hard one to get to remove the tensioner. And the problem, can you see, I don't know what the problem is, but I think I pretty much know what the problem is on this. So yep, we have a tensioner problem, so we need to do markups around the timing belt, so that way we can put it back, the new belt, on the same markings. And you don't have to worry about put it on timing, as long as you mark all your belt all the way around. I show you how to do that later on another video.